Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to learn English through picture or images. Outdoor reading activity. This illustration shows a cheerful outdoor scene where a teacher or caregiver is engaging with three children in a park setting. They are sitting on the grass, surrounded by trees, colorful butterflies, and a clear sky with fluffy white clouds. The teacher, a woman with short blonde hair wearing a pink blouse and blue skirt, appears to be guiding a reading activity, holding an open book with a large butterfly illustration that she seems to be showing to the children. She has an encouraging smile, suggesting her enthusiasm for the story. One child, a young girl with blonde hair tied with a pink headband, sits in front of the teacher with an open book in her hands. She's wearing a purple dress and appears very engaged, looking up at the teacher with an eager smile. To her right, another child, a boy with brown hair wearing a blue t-shirt and jeans, is lying on his stomach on the grass. He also has a book in front of him and looks happily attentive to what the teacher is saying, resting one hand on the open page. On the far right, another young girl with brown hair tied into a high ponytail is kneeling on the grass, listening intently to the teacher. She is wearing a striped shirt and green shorts, with her eyes wide open in interest. A yellow backpack sits on the grass next to the teacher, presumably belonging to one of the children. In front of the children are stacks of books, showing they are surrounded by learning resources. In the background, green bushes and a tree create a peaceful and natural atmosphere, enhanced by the presence of butterflies fluttering nearby. Two butterflies are seen in mid-air, one purple and one red, adding a playful touch to the scene. The overall mood is light-hearted, showing an educational and nurturing environment. The bright colors and animated expressions give the scene a joyful, friendly, and inviting feel, depicting the joy of learning in nature. Each character's expression reflects curiosity and enjoyment, highlighting the positive interaction between the teacher and students. The illustration emphasizes the importance of outdoor learning and reading, showcasing how children are encouraged to connect with nature while developing their love for books. The image communicates a warm and engaging setting where education is both fun and relaxing. The teacher's active engagement and the children's attentive postures suggest a dynamic learning experience, likely involving storytelling or interactive reading. The setting in nature, complete with trees and butterflies, suggests that this is not a traditional classroom, but rather an alternative learning space that promotes creativity and curiosity. The children's focus on books also underlines the value of reading as a shared activity that brings people together. This illustration captures a moment of bonding, as the group shares a collective experience in an educational and playful way. The butterflies seem to symbolize freedom and the joy of learning, fluttering around the group as if participating in the moment. The simplicity of the background, with its green hues and minimal detail, keeps the focus on the characters and their interaction. The expressions on the children's faces display a sense of wonder, perhaps hinting at an exciting story the teacher is narrating. The yellow backpack beside the teacher indicates that they might have come prepared for a day of reading and exploration in nature. The stack of books in front of them shows they have a variety of stories or materials to choose from, suggesting a well-rounded reading session. Overall, this scene illustrates the harmonious relationship between learning, nature, and imagination, presenting an ideal learning environment where curiosity and engagement thrive. Fill in the blank exercises based on the given image. Answers are given at the last of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more videos.